In this video, we'll learn about spaCy by analyzing customer feedback data. spaCy itself doesn't have built-in sentiment analysis capabilities. However, spaCy can be used in conjunction with other tools and libraries to perform sentiment analysis. The analysis of customer feedback, sentiments, and preferences can be valuable for improving various aspects of any organization. Here are some ways you can leverage this use case in your organization. You can improve customer experience. Analyzing sentiment allows you to understand how customers perceive your products and services. Positive sentiments can highlight strengths, while negative sentiments can indicate areas for improvement. Addressing concerns raised in customer narratives can lead to an enhanced customer experience. Getting geographic-specific feedback can help you identify geographic locations mentioned in customer feedback. This information can be valuable for understanding location-specific uses, preferences, or trends. It can be particularly useful for businesses with a diverse customer base. Knowing the preferred contact method, chat or email, based on customer preferences helps you tailor your communication strategies and can inform decisions on how to reach out to customers effectively and provide support. To conduct sentiment analysis with spaCy, you would typically follow these steps. Use spaCy for text pre-processing such as tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and other linguistic pre-processing tasks. Then train or use a pre-trained machine learning model for sentiment analysis. Popular machine learning frameworks like scikit-learn or deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch can be used for this purpose. You can integrate the spaCy processing pipeline with the sentiment analysis model. This may involve transforming spaCy's linguistic features into the format expected by the sentiment analysis model. You could also use a simple NLP library that can perform sentiment analysis, and it can be easily integrated with spaCy. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of sentiment analysis depends on the quality of your training data, the chosen model, and the specific requirements of your application. There are also pre-trained models and services available for sentiment analysis that you can leverage without training your own model. These models include VADR, or Valence-Aware Dictionary and Sentiment Reasoner, which is a rule-based sentiment analysis tool designed for analyzing social media text. And then there's Google Cloud Natural Language API, which offers sentiment analysis as part of its suite of natural language processing tools. Microsoft Azure's Text Analytics can analyze text in multiple languages and provides a confidence score for the sentiment analysis. Amazon Comprehend offers sentiment analysis as one of its features, allowing you to analyze text for positive, negative, neutral, or mixed sentiment. IBM Watson Natural Language Understanding provides a sentiment score along with the sentiment label, positive, negative, or neutral. And TextBlob. As we spoke of earlier, TextBlob is a Python library that provides a simple API for sentiment analysis. It is built on top of NLTK and Pattern, and it offers a basic sentiment analysis functionality out of the box. These pre-trained models and services vary in terms of accuracy and ease of use and pricing. You can choose the one that best fits your special requirements and constraints. For our use case and challenge lab, we'll be using spaCy and TextBlob to introduce sentiment analysis. We'll look at more advanced sentiment analysis in a later chapter on transformers.